Dito sa... Oh, ito. Ito.
Shy.
Oh, my driver is so shy. But if can you support guys so do not shy later? This is the farm. After mountain, we see the farm. Farm in Lacombe. Lacombe. Lacombe, Alberta. See, there are go long drive too. The people. See how big the Canada, but they are mati. Canada farm. See? Nice. Oh look, Canada farm. That one the weeds, right? Weeds, yeah.
Yeah,
Weeds. See the for the horses, the cow, garami. The grass for the cow. They are harvesting. Uh-oh, it's raining again.
raining boats.
I thought we come back again. It's rain. Last night so heavy rain. Very, very heavy rain. I cannot show you we not show you this one last night because so dark. But now have sun, so
Rolling hills.
ah
Rolling hills.
Mike said rolling hill. Rolling. See? How big? Small mountain now. No more big mountain. Only forest. In the mountain. Look. Oh. Let's go. Is that horse again? This one the horse for the city, not the mountain. Good the horse now, not the wild. Uh-oh. See. There the cow farm in Lacombe. Oh, Lockhart. Rimby. See? See? Nice mountain on there. The trees are very green. Mountain, oh the cow. Maybe they are saying, pointing the snowboarding. Practicing. Guys, can you support my channel YouTube? Can you subscribe, share, and comment? Like and comment. And don't forget to press the notification for next video. Thank you.